It's called fear VIX for a reason. When that VIX start moving, people start running. You dig me? People start losing that ass.
People start losing that ass.
People start losing that ass.
You dig me? It's very easy to trade a bull market. I mean, how hard is it to just sit your money in something? If everything is going up, you let it go up, right? It's about the ins and the outs, timing, knowing when to go heavy and when to not. When that VIX is at support, I mean, it's making its own support. Because VIX is already supposed to be at 1150, 1110, right? The market just keep hitting new highs, new highs, new highs, new highs, new highs, new highs. Everybody partying, everybody dancing. I want to thank you, Heavenly Father, for shining your light on me. Right? And what happens? A lot of people get bit in the ass today. Oh, did they get bit in the ass today? This whole week. I called it. Let me tell you this, right? I made a bet with my team, right? 5 to 10 day bet that the market is going to take a nice breathe. It's a new year. This will be a nice time for you to buy time on your calls. If you're buying calls, buy time. Investors ain't got to worry about this because y'all just buying and holding. Traders, you buy time. Don't go heavy. Don't go heavy because if the market is going up, why the hell isn't the VIX going down? If we are in such a bull market, why is Amazon not going higher? Why is only Tesla and Beyond Meat taking us to the next level? All of these signs, clear signs, to let us know that this market is going to take a nice breathe. Everything have to get reevaluated, people. It's a new year. It's a new year. It's a new year. It's a new year. Finances ain't got to bring the market down. This virus could bring the market down. Anything. And let's not even speak about that virus because if y'all don't think that's man-made, we ain't going to speak about that though. But let's speak about what we do. When I tell people look at that VIX, look at that VIX. I'm not the only one that I look though, right? It wasn't just the VIX. Banks are mixy. Banks are mixy. They financials are mixy. Earnings, you got JP Morgan, win, flying colors. You got Wells Fargo, lose. Big, bad, horrible. The earnings report was horrible. That's mixy. That's mixy. We in a bull market, Amazon not going nowhere. We in a bull market and Apple is gapping down. It's right in our face. It's happening right in our face. It just keep hitting the top. Just keep hitting the top. It's harder to be a bear in the bull market, but it's more potential on the game. Why? Because it's more downside risk. This is a risk-reward game. You got to know how to balance it. You got to know how to play it. If you buying always at the top, only a little bit of your portfolio. You shouldn't be going heavy and you at the top. We buy low, we sell high. We don't buy high to sell it. It's too much buying high to selling high right now. Reevaluate the strategy. It's called fear VIX for a reason. When that VIX start moving, people start running. You dig me? People start losing that ass. You dig me? I hope you dig me. Because now what you'll do is, if you was one of the people to lose that ass, you gonna learn from it. Learn from it. You still winning. You still do the things you like to do. You still in the game. You still here. You still breathing, right? So you learn from it and you make a none get naked next time. When you see that VIX is in the uptrend, you be cautious. When you see that VIX is in the downtrend, you buy heavy on the calls. There's a reason why I ain't going heavy on no calls, because it ain't in the downtrend. But watch. Watch when they come up right now and they go back in this downtrend. Watch. I'm heading straight to the banquet. Ha 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 ha. Okay? You don't have to take a trade every day. Take your time. Take your time. My last trade was Monday. I ain't take a trade Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You like that? Do you like that? I bought VIX. I bought VIX. Okay? S&P puts. Tesla puts. I bought puts. And they chilling. It's opening up. It's going to open up. They chilling. But you can see it. It's history repeating itself. If we going to go by that, right? We base. When we look at charts, we looking at the history. We looking at past performance, right? So you don't, not saying that it can't happen, but you be cautious because you know what could happen. Ghetto. Yo, like, comment, and subscribe. Now, when you look at the VIX, right, people? When you look at the VIX, tell me what you see. Tell me what you see. You see support. This is a 3-month chart. Now, look, when you look all the way at the beginning of the chart, you see that big drop? That's where we was making all that money 3 months ago. You understand what I'm telling y'all? Look at the chart and look at the support. See, I show better than I could tell. You see that trend line? You see that line that I created right there? This is TOS, by the way. Think or swim. Okay? TD Ameritrade. Now, you see that line right there, right? Now, when we first had that drop and you see the big trend where it first started, that was December 2019. Okay? Now, if you go back to the S&P 500 chart, where we were taking a breather, we was pulling back December 2019. You can see it right there, clear as day. Okay? So what you do is you keep it simple. You keep it simple. You know that when the VIX is in a downtrend, the market is in an uptrend. When the market is in an uptrend, the VIX is in a downtrend. When the market is going up, the VIX is going down, which means you buy heavy when the VIX is going down. And when the VIX is at support, you buy your calls light. You buy your calls light. And you be patient. You buy more time with your options. See, if you're an investor, you don't have to worry about these things. But when you're a trader, you buy more time because you know it got to take a breathe. It got to have a pullback. It got to have a reversal. It's part of the game. It's part of the game. You take your L's and you learn from them. Ghetto.